What if I told you that you could craft this smash burger in just 10 minutes, right at home for true American flavor? A quick sequence follows seasoned beef, a blistering pan, a fast smash, melty cheddar, crisp bacon, pickles, and a glossy bun. Would you try this with garlic mayo, smoky sauce, and a dash of your favorite American classics on top? Each step stays practical and fun, perfect for busy weeknights or a weekend grill vibe indoors. Subscribe for more bold builds, share your twists in the comments, and pass this burger guide to fellow American food lovers.